In the vast tapestry of life, there's a sanctuary of serenity waiting for you. Picture a world where you become the architect of your destiny. Welcome to Aura Empower, a community focused on unlocking your potential. We believe in the human spirit's power to transcend and grow. Imagine a journey of transformation, where every step aligns with destiny. Inspire, nurture. These are the cornerstones of Aura Empower. The path to empowerment starts here, right now. Join us to start your journey. Remember, in the grand scheme of life, you are the artist and the canvas. So, make your masterpiece